Hello everyone, welcome to Let's Shoot. In our previous session, we discussed about what acne is and cleared a misconception about pimples and acne. But the real question is, what is causing this acne? Let's find that out. We constantly hear people saying things like, hey, don't prick that. Don't eat oily food. And we also hear people asking questions like, do you have dandruff? We keep worrying but fail to figure out the actual cause of it. So friends, here we have listed down 8 causes. Acne can be triggered due to one or many of these reasons. Number 1. Hormonal changes. Increased level of testosterone or progesterone may contribute to acne as it elevates the level of sebum production. Reason number 2. Squeezing or picking an existing pimple. The infection causing pus and bacteria can spread to the nearby area and trigger infection. So avoid squeezing and picking a pimple. Reason number 3. Cleaning and scrubbing your skin rigorously. Reason number 4. High humidity. When the humidity level is high, you sweat a lot, and this sweat can trigger the growth of infection causing bacteria. So assume having an oily skin and constant sweating. That's when acne happens. Reason number 5. Use of cosmetics, especially oil-based cream, sunscreen, and hair products. Reason number 6. Researchers say food items high in fat, sugar, and dairy ingredients can raise the risk of acne. Reason number 7. Acne-type breakouts can be triggered due to yeast infection. It produces tiny itchy eruptions. It can appear on the face, upper chest, back, and shoulders. Reason number 8. Genetics. Family history and genetics too can trigger acne. So these are the causes of acne. Hope you like this information. For more such videos, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get notified. Thank you.